In a far-off galaxy, there was a small desert planet called Jakku. And on this planet, there lived a brave little girl named Ray. Ray was known for her quick wit and her strong spirit. She had a heart full of dreams and a mind full of questions about the galaxy. One day, Ray found a mysterious map that led her to a hidden treasure. With her small but mighty speeder, she set off on an adventure. She encountered all kinds of creatures along the way, but nothing could stop her. She was determined to find the treasure and uncover its secret. As she journeyed deeper into the desert, the sun began to set. The sky turned a beautiful shade of pink and orange. Ray felt a sense of peace wash over her. Suddenly, a strange, friendly creature appeared. It was a small, furry creature with big, bright eyes. It seemed to be guiding Ray towards a mysterious cave. The cave was dark and eerie, but Ray was not afraid. She followed the creature deeper and deeper until they reached the treasure room. Inside, she found a glowing, golden artifact. It was more beautiful than anything she had ever seen. Ray felt a surge of excitement and wonder. The creature, who she learned was named BB-8, told her that the artifact was a powerful tool that could help her find her way home. Ray was amazed. With BB-8 by her side, Ray felt a sense of purpose. She knew that she had a mission to complete. And so, she set off back to her home on Jakku, her heart full of dreams and her mind full of questions. As she looked up at the stars, she felt a sense of peace wash over her. She knew that no matter what challenges came her way, she would always be brave and strong. And from that day on, Ray became a legend on Jakku. Her adventures were talked about for years to come, inspiring other young dreamers to explore the galaxy and find their own adventures. And as for the treasure, well, that's a story for another day. But one thing is for sure, Ray's spirit of adventure would never be forgotten. The end.